Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you for joining me for this clean and undecorate with me video. I had a lot of cleaning to do after the holidays, and actually this living room was way worse on Christmas Day, but still the day after I had a lot of cleaning to do, so I'm just tidying up my living room, vacuuming, and putting everything back in order. So next I'm moving on to the kitchen and cleaning off the dining room table. The kids were actually playing with their new Play-Doh set that they got for Christmas, and there was residue all over the table and the floor. So I had to give the table a good wipe down and then clean off the chairs and also the kitchen floor. As I was cleaning, it was actually lunchtime for the kids, so I decided to take a break and make the kids something for lunch. I just made them a really simple lunch since we had a lot to eat on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So they're having a sandwich and some fruit along with a glass of water. On Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, we did a lot of cooking and baking in the kitchen, and since I was trying to spend a lot of time with my family, I didn't necessarily want to worry too much about cleaning. I figured I would handle it all, the following day so that I could enjoy time with my family for the holidays. So that's what I'm doing, just loading up my dishwasher and getting those dishes done. Next, it was time to take down all of the Christmas decorations. It's always crazy to me how quickly the holiday season comes and goes every year. And even though it's so much fun to have the decorations up, it is really freeing to take them all down and have nice, clean, and fresh walls all throughout the apartment. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this post-holiday clean with me video. The day that I'm filming this is actually the day after Christmas, so our place was a complete disaster. Luckily, we actually got a lot of the main cleaning done yesterday, like throwing out all the trash and stuff, but let me tell you, it was insane in here. There was so much just gift wrapping and packaging from new toys, and we did a lot of cooking and baking, so the kitchen was insane as well. So getting everything just clean and fresh and feeling new in here felt really great. It's like so nice for my anxiety to just clean everything. Initially, I wasn't planning on taking down the Christmas decorations so soon. I know a lot of people like to keep them up until like New Year's Eve or, after New Year's. But once I started cleaning everything, I just felt the need to just get everything, put away, and so I wouldn't have to worry about it later on. We do still have the Christmas tree up, but for the most part, I've put all the decorations away. Everything's cleaned up. In this video, I did focus more on cleaning the living room and the kitchen, just because that's where the biggest messes were, but there are other sections of the house that need cleaning as well. So if you guys want more clean with me videos, just give this video a thumbs up and I would love to film those for you. I'm also planning on doing a huge decluttering video once the new year hits, so get excited for that. Oh, and I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season and had a wonderful Christmas. I had an amazing time spending time with family and taking the kids out and just getting ready. It was so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday season as well. And if you have a lot of holiday cleaning to do on your list, then hopefully this video helped to motivate you. Don't be afraid. If you have those Christmas holiday messes to clean up, we can tackle it together and we can get it done. And remember to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like to be notified when I upload new videos. And until next time, I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys loved this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!